Joel, your food is ready.
Dear Lord, change the molecular structure of this food, please! Joshua 6:13. The seventh priest, carrying the 7 trumpets of ram's horns before the ark of the Lord, went on it continually, and blew the trumpets. And the armed men went before them, and the rear guard came after the ark of the Lord, while they continued to blow the trumpets. Thus on the 2nd day they marched around the city once, and returned to the camp. They did so for 6 days. Then on the 7th day they rose early, and the dawning of the day, and marched around the city in the same manner 7 times. Only on that day they marched around the city 7 times.